Hey everybody, it's Richie and Alan with Two Toy Boys, and we're doing something we shouldn't be
Hi.
doing. We are filming at Wal-Mart. Anyway, Alan was showing me this, what's it? The Iron Giant, which
Yeah.
is a movie back from my childhood, which I have not watched yet.
Anyway, it's
have you
cool
seen it, Alan?
Yes, I saw it a long time ago. Anyway, what's neat about it is the big, huge
Robots.
light and sound walking
Hello.
thing. You know, it's just cool that it's $20 for this big toy.
Yeah. I thought it would be cool to have this stand up against my Micro Machine Town, which you can see in one of our videos.
Here's Mixed Master.
Man, get out of the way. This is an Iron Giant video. And the Iron Giant fans will not be pleased with you sharing your transformer robots.
I was also going to say they have a huge Robbie the Robot here too, but I don't see one.
Well, then they don't have it then, do they?
No.
There he is. Look at him. Hello, I'm whatever. And if Richie knew what I sounded like in the movie, then he could imitate my voice. He's motorized, walking, lights up, but too many people have pushed these buttons, so he doesn't work. Kind of like me. They pushed my buttons, so now I don't want to work. Anyway, this is a short video. We're back. Two Toy Boys 2020, baby. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Love you all. Bye.